How we gonna spray this shit?
Is that a strawberry?
I don't even
It's
know what
empty.
this shit
It's
is.
empty. It's empty.
Dusty bitches, you already know what time it is. Bow, 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 bow. Mustache and the goatee, you niggas could never.
Looking evenly colored like a toasted coconut.
You look like a little wafer cookie.
I got the same skin tone as Mr. Potato Head.
Hey guys, I don't know, I just had this cool idea.
This future dev hair. That last clip seemed a little forced. Basically, in this video, my family's gonna do voiceover for this makeup tutorial. I am not a makeup artist, nor do I aspire to be one.
So let's get it started.
As you see, Miss Lace here is using the Edge Wax, putting it at her side liners and her forehead. And she's using a toothbrush to make sure the edges go well done properly. All you have to do, just put a little bit of the paste, and then you get your baby hair and then put them into whatever style you want it to get done in. And then you'll have that beautiful look. When she's finished, it will display what it looks like. Now she's tying her hair with a headband to make it more neater and looks much better. In a few seconds she will remove it, and then you'll see the outcome of how beautiful it looks. Now you'll give her a few seconds while she pulls her beautiful face in the camera. So when she takes off the headband, then you're gonna see that beautiful outlook of the edges. You go, girl, get it done, show them it.
Hello ladies, so right here you see Dev is using the Maybelline primer, and she is rubbing small amounts throughout her face. She's getting her chin, her nose, her eyebrows, and starting to get the neck. You always want to make sure you're blending, ladies. Remember that. Thank you.
Alright, so we got this Benefit Cosmetics brow pencil. Just gonna brush out the brow and then start lining it, the shape of the brow. That's number 4.5. Yeah, okay, so we're just gonna, line out the brow, line it out, fill it in, you know what I'm saying? Gotta shape it. And then we're gonna go in with our Tarte Shape Tape Concealer with our Morphe brush, M410, yes, and we're gonna just go in, yes. Paint that bad boy on. Conceal those brows. Alright. We're going to use our NARS foundation. Just go over that, line the top. Notice how she can put the conceal on the bottom and the foundation on the top. Yes. Look at that. Yes.
Alright, boom. So she's gonna be using the M173 brush and her Morphe continuous setting spray to just wet her brush, and as you can see, she blending that bad boy out. So the bottom is lighter than the top, as y'all can see. I don't know why, but I'm sure she knows why. But we just gonna keep it rolling. And she just making that eyebrow. Yes, girl, that eyebrow sharp. Give me a paper cut. Golly. Yes, surfaces. Now we're gonna go in with the M456, honey. The Morphe James Charles palette, okay? We're going in with that T. And she's just gonna put that at the top of her eye. And we're gonna do that for both sides. It's just that simple. Wait, do y'all see that sharp eyebrow though? Wow. Go ahead.
Hey ladies, my name is Janai and I'll be taking over this portion of the video. So in Teresa's hand, she has the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and she has that in the shade of medium. And with that concealer today, she's going to be creating a cut crease look. And for those of you who don't know what a cut crease is, it's basically using concealer as a base on your lower lid, starting from your inner crease, working your way to your outer crease about 3/4 of the way. And from there, you apply eyeshadow to complete your look. So right now, she's patting it down with some powder, probably some baking powder or some eyeshadow, and she's fanning it just to ensure that the concealer is dry before she adds her eyeshadow.
Alright, you know it's Ashley. And now we're going to get into this cut crease. Now we're going to set it with the canvas shade on the whole lid. We're gonna make sure it's sharp. Ain't no blender right now, cause it's a sharp cut crease. Damn, you see that fallout? But my lips look crispy though.
Okay, so she's going in with her Morphe brush in the shade Benny. Okay, so she's picking up that pigment and she's placing it in her outer V. Okay, she's just packing it in there right now. Don't worry about it. She's gonna blend it out later. She blended it out now. Okay, bitch, blend, and it's gonna look great. Okay, don't doubt my bitch. Sorry, y'all, I had to get ratchet real quick. Yo, look out. Okay, winks.
Foundation. Today, Dev is using the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation in the color Macao. And to blend it out, she is using a Morphe 349 brush. As you can see, she applies the foundation straight to her face before she starts blending.
So, my camera died. Then I charged Sis. I turned Sis on. Then Sis was like, "You don't got no more storage." Stupid! Excuse me? So here we are now. We're just gonna have to record on my phone because I don't got no storage.
I found more makeup she stole from my bitch crib.
That concealer shit.
Why y'all gotta put so much on your face though?
Okay. How we gonna spray this shit?
Is that a strawberry?
It's a beauty blender, right? I think that's what it's called. I don't even know what
empty.
This shit is.
It's empty. It's empty.
She talking about storage and shit. Like, okay, now we gonna blend it in, and then yeah.
You got the same skin tone as Mr. Potato Head.
Okay, we still blending. All right.
Okay, y'all, it's your girl Sierra. We just gonna get right into it. So we're just gonna hold up this True Color and pop that bitch open. So now we're swiping it on our face, doing the contour on our chin, and we're gonna blend that bitch. Rub that in all nice and good. Make sure it get all in there. Make sure you don't have those lines and all that. All right, now we're untying this head tie. Ooh, edges. You see these edges? Oh, okay. No, ma'am. Okay, so now we're putting more stuff on the forehead and blending that in, I guess to make the color even. Yeah, we're looking evenly colored, like a toasted coconut. There we go.
Alright, dusty bitches, you already know what time it is. Finna put on that blender, have me looking like a John. Hue the beauty. You feel me? Alright, you bitches can never, bro. I'm about to put this shit on my face. About to put this white shit on my face, have me looking like a John. Bow, 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 bow. Gotta make this shit clear up. Yo, where the mustache at? Where the mustache at? Put that shit on. Put that shit on real quick. Please, please, please. Bow, bow, bow. You feel me? Bow. Mustache and the goatee. You niggas can never.
I have a feeling he gonna roast me. I know it. I knew you.
It's Noah, and she right. I wasn't gonna cut her ass until I realized she looked like a little wafer cookie, and then I got hungry. So I'ma just stop. But Jazz, keep doing your thing. But on the behalf of the people, if that last glue come undone, we on your ass, nigga.
It's the Big Cuzzo Sauce Show.
It's your boy D Love and Hannah, you know what I'm saying? AKA Big Money. AKA whatever you want to call me. D Love. You can let the D stand for wherever you want to stand it for. We're going to start this video. What's happening? Alright, fuck it up. Set up the camera, goddammit. Shit, little stick. Alright, put it on your lip.
She's outlining her lip right now.
She outlining her shit, okay. Make it a little dark on the outside. Fucking eyebrows, bitch.
Period.
Fuck.
Oh, it's spoolie. That's a spoolie.
Spoolie. What
gotta
is
put the spoolie
That's the
on
little thing you clean the chimney with. It's just the mini version.
I'm weak. Gotta get the
On
Vaseline.
everything. Cocoa butter on everything. little spray? That look like Sheen.
The setting spray.
That's that shit you put on your pants before you iron it.
I'm weak. That's fucking
She bad as hell though. Look at her twerk. Hey.
Period.
I'm gonna end up voiceovering my own voiceover. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications by clicking the bell icon to be updated whenever I upload. Leave a huge like below if you like this video, and peace. I hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, peace.